Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is "Shoplifter Doesn't Realize Police Are Waiting Outside for Her."
Show me your hand. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach right now.
On September 24th, officers responded to a shoplifting call at Target after a suspect fled on foot with over $1,000 in stolen items. Police speak with his partner, who was stopped before she could get away in their stolen van.
John, that's about all I know.
What is he wearing? You're already in trouble, so might as well just... Well, he's in trouble.
I'm trying to tell you.
Okay.
But, he's wearing, I think, like a black hoodie or a dark colored hoodie.
Okay.
And he definitely did come here to steal things.
Okay, how old is he?
I don't know.
No, okay.
I personally met him through that I've known like my whole
So
life.
a black hoodie, anything else?
And I think dark colored jeans.
Dark colored
These are
jeans?
darker like her jeans for sure. He's like at least 6 foot. He's pretty tall. So you didn't search anything of mine. I did not come here for any reason at all.
Okay. Does he have facial hair?
Yeah, he does.
What does he have?
Short. He has a short beard. Like,
Is it a full beard or a goatee?
it's like yours. It's a full beard.
Do me a favor. Okay. I didn't find your wallet in here. If you want, though, you can put all this stuff back in your backpack, okay? She believes there is white boxes in there that might be stolen.
I just want to make sure he didn't take my money.
We found him, so we're going to check him, and if he has your wallet, we'll find out.
After a few minutes of searching the area, officers locate the suspect hiding in a bush.
Got him. 32, I got him. Show me your hands, you're gonna get tased. Come out, show me your hands, you're gonna get tased. Come out towards me and show me your hands or you're going to get tased. Right now. Come over here to me and keep your fucking hands up. Show me your hands. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach right now. I will tase you. Get on your stomach. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back, both of them. Now. Put your hands together behind your back. Don't move! You move again, I'm tasing you.
There's a hole in the fence, but he's gonna have to lay down and roll.
The suspect seems to have consumed some kind of narcotic and is unresponsive to police.
All right, get up, start walking.
Well, we gotta do it. It's the only way out. I could pull the fence up and then go in and try to cut it.
Start pulling yourself up. Get on your side. Start walking.
Stand up.
Get up.
Did he leave with any merchandise?
He left. He ditched the cart.
All right, there's a red bandana on it.
Grab that bandana. Start walking. What are you doing?
Why are you acting like you?
You're only not 14. He's good enough to run, but now he's not enough to walk. You probably took something. You better start walking. You probably ate something. Was he acting like this in the store?
No, he was shopping like normal. What'd you eat?
Yeah. What'd you take, dude? I think you might have swallowed something. What'd you take?
I got Narcan too.
Hey, what'd you take, dude? It's not worth dying over. What'd you take?
Yeah, a lot of people do that. They, if they have narcotics on them, and versus rather than getting caught with them, they'll take them. I wish I could tell you it made sense, but it doesn't, because that's how overdoses happen and all types of stuff. So, but they would rather do that than to just get caught with it and live to fight another day.
Take.
Does he still have something in his mouth? Because he's making like a chew.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
I don't know if it's
Open all the way. Stick your tongue out. Open your mouth. Stick your tongue out.
Yeah.
Go inside. Stay there. What'd you eat? What'd you eat? I got another one in the door there.
That's fine. Shove it in his nose and squeeze it up. Hey, keep your head up. Hey,
keep your head up. Keep your head up. What'd you take, dude?
All right, John, one last question. This is for the ambulance to save your life, all right? We need to know what you took. Not to put charges on you, to save your life.
What'd you take? It's only gonna help you out.
You
know what's in the needle.
You know what? You can tell the ambulance crew if you don't want to tell us. That way they know what to give you.
We already found the needle. They just want to know what you took, so they know what to give you. What is it?
Let them kill me.
All right, they're not going to.
We're going to save your life today.
We're here to save your life, just because of the Narcan, but...
Can you stand, John, you think?
Yeah, I can stand just fine.
All right.
I have my effects.
Your effects?
All right, man. If we can stand, let's stand up and have a seat over here.
Gross. Gross. Clean those clothes off, man.
As the male is transported to the hospital, officers question his partner about her role in the theft and their van, which has been reported stolen.
I don't know. They got rid of a scapegoat or some shit.
No, yeah, we're gonna figure it out.
Oh, I came here for it.
I know. Sure,
It's
just
not okay.
put your stuff back in your bag and then we'll figure it out.
I'm not having enough room coming. I just got ran off like about 6 months ago. I've been doing really good on it. This is the first year I played out.
When did you relapse?
For the first time.
Today?
Yeah, today.
Okay, so you just met him today?
No,
Or how
this
many?
is the second time I've ever hung out with him.
Okay, so real quick,
Yeah.
so you said you used. Does he use as well? We're just because right now the
Yeah,
ambulance is
no,
gonna talk.
yes,
Ambulance is gonna figure out talk to him. So if we
Yeah.
can, okay.
Yeah, no, I know he does uppers. I don't know when he has,
Okay.
or if he has a day, or what time or anything. But I know he does uppers.
Are you okay with us searching your purse to make sure he didn't put any stolen items in there?
I absolutely.
Okay, perfect. We don't want him to put the blame on you.
No, okay, this is no
Okay, I put
They have your purse.
I put
You didn't
everything.
get very far.
I put everything back in your bags. I'm gonna leave them right here. Okay.
Let's not jump to conclusions and start thinking ahead. I know you're. Yeah, I understand that. You have every reason to be upset.
Okay, so yeah, I've been hearing.
Come on, man. The car starts freaking making noises at the best part. Come on, man.
Sober, I have these, you don't hang out with the same people, but they're amiable people. I've tried to find good people,
No, but you gotta keep
you
trying.
find out they're not good people.
Yeah, but let's be real. Let's be real for a second.
The
Okay?
world is
Did we think John was a decent person? You see him starting a car with a screwdriver.
Listen,
You know, we gotta start looking elsewhere. I get it.
I know.
Yeah, ignition's on it.
No, I didn't think he was like a great guy, but I didn't think he was this big of a f***ing asshole. I tried to find like looking for the good shit, but
Sometimes we want to look for the good, but be realistic, right? It's okay. It is. Hey, because you want to see the good. We just gotta be honest, though, right?
Yeah.
They never came back with the 43 I gave, right?
Nobody is so
check.
Take a puff of that.
What's going on?
You go and put your hands on your bed.
Cool, explain.
That's lovely. Am I being hard or something?
We'll talk about it.
Okay. I'm going to down?
Right now, you are
Why?
being arrested because we're going to investigate some stuff.
About that?
A couple things. I'll explain to you in the car.
Okay,
Just take a seat.
okay, why did you guys not tell me this?
Because we didn't know until right now.
Okay. This is a lot lovely.
Here, come outside real quick. I'm going to check you real quick. I got to pat you down, make sure you got
That's
nothing.
fine.
Face this way.
You,
You got nothing on you, right?
what am I being invested in? So I'm going to jail and being charged? Is that what's going on here?
So right now, again, we need to figure out, as of now, because you were with them, they caught you on camera loading stuff into the car. And then, okay, so we'll talk more at the station, but as of now, that's as much as we got, okay? And then also, the car is stolen, and you were driving it, so there's
I was not driving that car. Yes, an officer.
We'll talk some more, okay? We'll talk some more.
The suspects were charged with retail theft, resisting arrest, and possession of a stolen vehicle. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and be sure to subscribe.
Unbelievable. She tried to place blame all on him and paint herself as she didn't do anything wrong. She didn't come here to do this, whatever. See, that camera don't lie now. That camera does not lie. What a train wreck of people. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.